Hello everyone, this is gonna be a short video today because the day's been quite busy, but I didn't want to stop making videos. So, hey everyone, this is Sebish and welcome to Physics with No Big Words. Today we will talk about three states of matter. The three states that everything you see around is composed of. Okay, so every object or every single thing that you point at is one of the three states. So, if you learn if you understand these stages properly, then you will predict the nature of almost everything that you're gonna point at or everything that you'll see. So you'll understand the physics behind it more deeply, and then you can actually see for yourself how things happen. Okay, so three states of matter. State number one, that is solid. You know what is solid. Solid is something that is hard. Solid is something that is tough. Okay, very minutely, we know everything is made up of small particles of them, small particles of something, right? Everything is made of small particles of, like, let's say for example, this paper is made of small paper bits. So this paper is made of small paper bits, and then these bits join together to make a single sheet of paper, right? So let's call this small bits molecules. So molecules, when they are joined one after the other, but molecules are very small. You cannot see it with your own eyes. Like one molecule, you can never see one molecule. So when molecules join together, they form a matter, they form an object. In solid, these molecules are so tightly into each other. They are like the inseparable couples. They don't even leave each other. They are hugging each other and then making the matter. So even in this much quantity of that matter, there are many molecules. Okay, yeah. Even in small quantity, there are many molecules. So in that way, the solid has many molecules, and since they are so close to each other, we find it very hard to break that relationship of those molecules. So solids are often tougher than other states of matter. Okay, so state number two is liquid. We know liquid: water, juice, coke, milk, everything else is liquid. And liquid is not as tough as solid, because in liquid the molecules are not as compact as solid. They are far away, and they are less, they share less brotherhood, or they share less romance, so that they are far away from each other. Not that far away, but considerably far away from each other. And even if you like touch them, they tend to go far away. Their bond can easily be broken because they initially didn't have any bond. So that's liquid for you. And third is gas. Everything that you don't see, everything invisible as far as in earth, is almost gas. Like everything that is is not obstructing me, or that you can't see here, is gas. Air is gas. It has oxygen, it has nitrogen. They are all gas, and gas molecules are so far from each other that the actual volume of all the oxygen, that if I put everything inside my hand, then it may not even be this much. But since gas molecules are so far away, then it encloses every part of the room. So every part of the room has oxygen. There is no part in the room that I go and not inhale oxygen, not suffocate, right? So every part of the room has oxygen. But if you take the entire amount and put it in my hands, so if you squeeze everything, then it could fit in this part. So we got the three states of matter. solid is usually for the same number of molecules, or for the same total quantity, solid can be in smaller size and liquid can be in a little bigger size, but gas can be a lot bigger. If we talk about sound in solid or vibration in solid, if I like vibrate one part of the solid, then other part can, I mean, the vibration can travel more quickly in solid, because vibration is just, I hit one molecule, that molecule hits another molecule, that molecule hits another molecule, and that just goes on to the next end, right? Since solid molecules are so close to each other, then they travel really quick. And then for liquid it is a little slower, and in gas it is much slower. So when you talk like this, and then other person is in the receiving end far away there, then my voice to him will reach a little slow. But if I talk in a wall, and then other person is hearing through the wall, I mean putting his ear into the wall, and then I'm saying something into the wall, then the other person will hear the things much more much louder and much faster. So that's sound travel in solid. We will also talk about other things in these three states of matter in another video. For now, thank you guys for joining, and then have a great day.